My name is Juan Daniel Soto Guevara. I am 15 years old and live in the city of Bogotá, Colombia. I did my garden at the Liceo Lico Nueva Colombia school, and in that time I did 5 years of primary school. I don't remember many things from the school, so I was very young. Then we moved to the municipality of Soacha, more exactly in San Mateo, where it the would last 4 years, in the which I did the fifth grade to ninth grade at the Dirigent, Liceo Dirigentes del Futuro. In this school, I would meet with two best friends, Luis David Alarcón and Nicolás Romero, who do this I continue to share the feeling of the best friend. I have spent many moments with them, and we have always been for each other. Uh, then I would move to the Veraguas neighborhood in Bogota, where is was to my 10 years of high school at the Montserrat School, located in the Castellana, Bogotá. Here it only lasted a year since I could not accommodate the public transport system that I need to go to school. For the following years, I went back to school in San Mateo, where I would finish my 11th year and graduate with my best friends. After graduating, I felt affection for the industrial engineering car, and it is the same way for the women. Since my mother is a graduate of that university, and she she gave my excellent reference about it, and that is how my university life would be. My first day at university was very great because my best friend Luis David Alarcón would enter same the career and the same university as me, thus achieving a very easy social connection at university, and making friend very easy, many thanks good.